Hello students, this is the fourth part of our fifth poetry, A Prayer for My Daughter, which is written by W.B. Yeats. So in this part, we are going to learn the second stanza's explanation, and that is given in the form of summary. So page number 27, last paragraph. His daughter would be learned. Now, in this line, the poet is trying to tell us that when his daughter will be young person or young personality, that time she need to be well educated and she need to learn not only education but all other things such as morality, good thinking, or kindness. All these things she need to learn when she will be a young person. She would know manners and politeness, and when she will be young, that time she must know about a good manner, way of behaving with others, and politeness. And she need to be very polite with others in her behavior, in her talking, in her speaking. The qualities of her heart would win the heart of others. So my daughter need this kind of qualities in her, that when she will be in contact with others, so automatically she must win heart of other peoples when she will be in contact with those people. This kind of quality my daughter need. She will be a good, glad and kind. Glad, it means happy. So, whenever my daughter will be young person, that time she need to be a good person, very glad, happy person, and very kind, loving person. She will have all the qualities of the head and heart. And whatever we think that those qualities are good for our head and for our heart, those all qualities my daughter need to be in her mind, in her heart. The sweet song of the linnet. Linnet, a brownish songbird. The sweet song of the linnet fills everything with delight. Delight, it means happiness. So whenever the brownish bird which sings a song, that time the whole atmosphere, in that whole atmosphere, whoever listening the song of that bird, that person's heart automatically becomes happy, delighted. In the same way, whenever my daughter will talk with the others, whoever person listening her, that person's heart need to be very happy, very delighted. In the same way, her thought will show her nobility. Nobility, it means a quality of highest rank. Nobility of spirit and large heartedness. Heartedness, it means having a heart as a specified spirit and large heartedness. So here the poet is trying to tell us that in the same way her thoughts will show her nobility of spirit and large heartedness. So whenever my daughter will present her thoughts in front of other people, so through her thoughts she need to show everyone that she is a very noble person. She is a very high quality person, and her heart is very specified heart, which heart is having good qualities. In Marymount it means fun or entertainment. In Marymount there will be chase and quarrels. Quarrel it means angry, dispute or argument. In Marymount there will be chase and quarrel. So when you are thinking the life is full of fun, full of happiness, so suddenly there will you can see that you are chasing something in your life, you are behind something to get in your life, to achieve in your life. And when you are trying to achieve anything in your life, to get anything in your life, that time you will face some kind of angry dispute, angry argument with others. So in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.